up, y'all? It's your girl Tia, and I'm back with another video. So like always, I'm whispering right now. The babies are sleeping, and I did a quick beat to my face because I just was like, let me lamb it up a little bit. It's Super Bowl Sunday. You guys probably already seen the video of what I bought for Super Bowl Sunday before this video. So if you haven't already, make sure you go, guys, stop what you're doing and go ahead and check out that video. But yeah, I'm in my bathroom, my favorite place because it's quiet and it's better lighting in here. But right now, the two little ones asleep. The two big ones, they went to go visit some family for the Super Bowl. Some family members had Super Bowl at their house. My sons, the two oldest ones, went to go visit their cousins. So they went with my mom. So I had did a little get together for them anyway at the house. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So when they come home, they're going to come home early. So they went to like just to go see everybody early before it gets too dark outside. So they'll be home in a little while. So I want to show you guys what it looks like. And yeah, I made some wings and I just bought a big sandwich. I bought a big, large 3-foot wedge, which I'm gonna cut in half and save the other half and use half of it for tonight and then the other half for probably another day this week. So yeah, so I wanted to show you guys, if you guys haven't already and you love my lashes, make sure you guys check out a14glam.com. I have these lashes on my site. These are the lead lashes and they're different sizes. I have small, medium, large, so you guys make sure you guys go check them out. And yeah, let's get right into this video. It's gonna be just pretty much me just showing clips of the day. Probably won't be doing too much talking because it's gonna be a chill evening, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, it's so hot here. I got the oven on 400 making some wings and I'm like sweating. So I just did my face and I love it and I just love makeup. I want to go take some classes and kind of perfect my craft and, you know, learning how to do makeup and stuff like that. But I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead, let me start filming myself. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I made. I've been running all day, so I look a mess. But I did want to just glam up my face and throw some lashes on. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this vlog started. Let's go.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, Tear you out for a puffball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a puffball. Open up. Tear you out for a puffball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, and take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
All right, y'all, so I have my wings. I have my setup already set up. I'm gonna show y'all really quickly and then I'm gonna eat. But I have some Pepsis here, some ginger ales. I have my wedge, 3-foot wedge cut in half. And it's just this side is just the meat and then this side has just some lettuce. I have these little plates here are from Dollar Tree.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. You OPN, hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.